beautiful sockeye salmon fillet right here. And I've melted a little bit of butter. I've got about 4 cloves of garlic that go in the butter. And then here's the secret ingredient. This is chicken bouillon. This brand is called Better Than Bouillon. I think the flavor is, what's the flavor? Roasted chicken flavor. So you can find this in your grocery store. And what you do is you take a big glob of it and you put it on top of the butter and garlic. And don't be shy about using it. Mix it up. Doesn't have to be mixed super good, but get the garlic kind of dispersed, and then you just ladle it on the fish. Make sure you spread it out evenly. You don't want it too thick. You can see all that garlic distributing itself. Okay. So now we've got our fillet completely covered. I missed a spot over there. With a thin coating of that mixture. And I've got the salmon on foil. The only reason for the tray is to support it as I carry it out to the barbecue. I cook it at 450 to 500 degrees in the barbecue for probably about 20 minutes. And the way I test it on the barbecue is I'll lift it up from the center, and if it starts to crack, I know it's done. So anyway, that is the recipe I learned up in Alaska when I was up there mountain biking. Fishing guide up there taught me this trick, and it is one of the easiest and most delicious recipes you can find for cooking a beautiful salmon fillet.